In the meantime, Microsoft guidance affecting more than just the stock markets this morning. Senior economics reporter Steve Leisman sees it echoing in bond markets both here in the United States and around the world.
We know Microsoft was not one of the names that really participated in the January rally so far when it comes to tech.
Global bond yields started falling right on cue at 5 o'clock yesterday with the release of Microsoft earnings, with the company's guidance affirming and even deepening concern of an economic slowdown.
Xbox down 12% and Windows down a whopping 39%. PC sales are just going off a cliff.
Specific to Microsoft, understand, here's the conflict you have. You have poor momentum. You have a technical picture in which the stock down 29% through the course of 2022, really underperforming the NASDAQ so far year to date.
YouTube, what they do, man? What's good? We back with another video. Finna get right into it, man. Y'all seen the thumbnail, man. Y'all heard them boys, man. Microsoft been struggling. So with all that information that I know, you know what I'm saying, that them boys just went over, I'm showing y'all how I played that. I was looking to play off the 15-minute chart resistance line. Remember, you always go to your daily, your 15-minute. So today I'm playing off the 15-minute. Let me pull out them levels for y'all, get them levels down so y'all could take notes. As we can see right here, on the second, last week, this is a support level that just got established. You can see where Microsoft bounced off of it. And then the prior day, the next day after that, we see where Microsoft was fading. And then we see this little candle right here, what gave us a nice little bounce. If you look over here to the left, this is the same candle. Watch this. Let me pull out my cursor. Pay attention. I'm finna right click. Now look on the left side. As I right click on the right, look on the left side. You see this little candle right here? This was the bounce. So from that right there, what we know? We know a double bottom has been established. So this is what we looking to play off of. This right here. This right here. This is what we looking to play off of. Now let's go. Starting the day. Remember, this dotted line right here is the open line. So what I want to do, I want to see us get rejected off this area right here. This line right here, this $257 price point. We want to see Microsoft reject off this line. We got the rejection. Bam, you see where I bought at? Bought 3 contracts. So as we get the rollover, you see I take my first contract off. And let's go. Now we get an extension move. You see I take the next contract off. Where I take it off at? Right there. So I got one off right here. Another one off right here. Let's see why I did it. The reason I took this first one off, because it's the initial bounce. The reason I took this second one off, this is my extension move. Now let's see what happens. We get back to this level. Remember, this is our resistance level that we plan off of. We get back to this level. Then what we do? Sellers jump back in. What I do? Add back to it. You see I bought 2 more contracts. Let's see what happens. Oh, now we got a bigger bounce. But we see these wicks. When you see these wicks, that's let you know that is a lot of selling pressure. Depending on which area it's coming from, it could be coming from the support or the resistance. But this one is coming from the resistance. So we see it's a lot of selling pressure. You love to see these wicks. It just give you a little bit of confirmation that sellers are stepping in. Just look at this wick right here. Wicks right here. Wicks right here. Wick right here. Every time we get to this level, look at this wick right here. All right, let's see what's going on. Get back up in this level. Nice, beautiful bearish candle with a wick. What I do? I add 2 more contracts. So I done got real confident in this level. I done got real confident in this level now. I done got real confident. Let's see what happens. A nasty wick, right? Almost through VWAP. Let's see what happens now. There we go. What I do? Once I get this candle right here, what I do? I sell 3 more contracts. So I bought 2 right here, bought 2 right here, and once I got this nasty rejection through VWAP, what did I do? Sell 3 contracts. So now I get the extension back through the low of the day. This why, remember, this why I took my second piece when I first bought my 3. So what I do right here, gotta take it because this is where it bounced at before. See where it bounced at? This where it bounced at before. So I gotta make sure I take another contract off right here. What I do when I get right there? Sell. Now I'm left with holding 1 contract. So I done sold all these contracts and I'm left with holding 1 contract. Let's see what happens. Get a nice extension. With a tail though, remember we had the tails on this side showing that sellers are stepping in. Now we got the tail on this side showing that buyers are stepping in. And let's see why buyers are stepping in. Let's see what area is at. Look what it's close to. See this little tail right here? Look, it's right there. As you can see, as I right click, look to the left. You see? Let you know that's the area of support. That's where buyers step in. You know what I'm saying? I was trying to get it to right here because I wanted to fill the gap. Let me pull this out for y'all. What I really wanted to do. That's what I was trying to do. This is exactly what I was trying to do. I was trying to get it to fill the gap. Then I was going to take my last piece of profit. But it didn't fill the gap. So let me show you what happens. It gets a little lower. It gets a little lower. So you see, I'm trying to get it there. I'm really trying to get it. We getting a nice extension, nice move on Microsoft now. We looking real good now. We looking real good. I'm trying to get it right here. I should have took it right here. Normally I do, but I'm like, man, I got 1 contract left. Why not hold it? Let's fill it. See if we can get right there, and then we out. But let's see what happens. Buyers step in. And then once I got it back above VWAP, I sold my last piece. So man, there y'all got it, man. Textbook trading off of the 15-minute support. I mean the 15-minute resistance that used to be support. And you just see where every time I got to this area, I got one of these nice candles. I added back contracts. Buyers came in again. We got rejected. I added back contracts. Once we started to get the rollover, I sold piece of profit, and then I was trying to hold it, trying to get all the way down here. I didn't get it, and once we got it back above VWAP, I sold my last contract. So man, yeah, there it is, man. Y'all just get ready for this playback for y'all, man. Remember, like the video, subscribe, comment down below, man. Get ready for this playback.